In this question, it is given that for the two positive numbers a and b, if a, b and 1 by 18 are in a geometric progression, while 1 upon a, 10 and 1 upon b are in arithmetic progression, then 16a plus 12b is equal to. According to given information, because a, b and 1 by 18 are in GP, therefore I can say b square is equal to a into 1 by 18, and because these three numbers are in AP, hence I can say 20 is equal to 1 upon a plus 1 upon b. And now first of all, I eliminate a from the two equations. The value of a is 18b square. You will note an interesting thing in this question. Don't think that calculation is going to be very high. And now it becomes 20 equal to 1 upon 18b square plus 1 upon b. Hence I get 360b square equal to 1 plus 18b. And after this step, otherwise the calculation will become very high. It's clear that it can be written as 6b whole square into 10 outside equal to 1 plus 3 into 6b. I suppose 6b as x. I get 10x square equal to 1 plus 3x. Still, it doesn't seem to be easy, because if coefficient of x here is 1, it always seems to be easy. But if coefficient of x here is not 1, something else, then it is slightly more difficult. But note that here constant term is 1. Therefore, it will be again better if I suppose x equal to 1 by y. Because once y is known to us, x will be known to us. And x is known to us, b will be known to us. And now I will get 10 equal to y square plus 3y. That is, I get y square plus 3y minus 10 equal 0. Now it is very easy to find the value of y. And once y is known to us, x will be known to us. And once x is known to us, the value of b will be very easy to find. It's clear that y equal to minus 3 plus minus under root 9 plus 40 by 2. That is the value of y is minus 3 plus minus 7 by 2. That is the value of y is 2 or minus 5. But because it was given that numbers are positive, that is b is positive. B is positive means x is positive, and x is positive means y is positive. Hence I will get the value of y as 2. Therefore the value of x will become 1 by 2. That is, I can say 6b equal to 1 by 2. That is, I will get the value of b as 1 by 12. And once b is known to me, a will be equal to 18 into 1 by 144. That is, a equal to 1 by 8. As a is equal to 1 by 8 and b equal to 1 by 12, hence the value of 16a plus 12b equal to 16 into 1 by 8 plus 12 into 1 by 12, that is 3. Hence the answer to this question is 3.